Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Cars Corp. I'm your host Mark, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the new Fisker Ronin, an electrifying new sports car set to redefine the automotive landscape. Inside, the Ronin offers a luxurious and technologically advanced cabin, complete with premium materials and state-of-the-art connectivity. The Ronin is a sleek and aerodynamic vehicle featuring a futuristic design that turns heads wherever it goes. Powered by a powerful electric motor, the Ronin delivers exhilarating performance, accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in just a matter of seconds. Inside, the Ronin boasts a technologically advanced cabin that seamlessly blends luxury and innovation. Its spacious interior promises comfort for all who grace its seats. With its advanced handling and responsive steering, the Ronin provides unparalleled driving agility and control. The Ronin's unique coupe-cabriolet design allows you to enjoy the thrill of open-air driving at the touch of a button. Its sleek roof gracefully folds back at the touch of a button, revealing an electric motor that hums with anticipation. The name Ronin evokes the iconic car chase scenes in the 1998 action film starring Robert De Niro. The Fisker Ronin is a testament to the future of automotive engineering. Its stunning design, advanced technology, and relentless pursuit of excellence make it a must-have for any discerning driver. Prepare to be mesmerized by the Ronin in 2025. Subscribe to Cars Corp to stay up to date on the latest news about the upcoming cars and be among the first to experience the aesthetic blend of style and performance.